All right, guys, so this is room tour for 13001 Grand Suite or Experience Forward with extended balcony. So as we go in, we have the living room area, bedroom area, and bathroom. So when you come in, you also have to the left, there's a walk-in closet. So another thing, before we do the tour, you have to put your room key in here so that the lights and power will work in here. Here's also your thermostat, and here is where you can also put do not disturb, and you make up your room, and there's a light on the other side of the door that will let the room steward know not to come in or to make up their room. So as you come in here, you have a walk-in closet area, plenty of shelving and hangers to be able to hang up your clothes. You have drawer space. And then you have more space over here, your drawers. Then you also have your safe that's in here. And you have ample space. And this suite sleeps 5 people. So that's another thing. As you come in here, this is the bathroom. You have your sink area. You have your trash can, toilet, and then your shower. And this is where they put the towels at. You do get also some other towels that comes with the room as well. All right, so now as we enter into the bedroom, you have, this is a sleeper sofa right here. I have all my stuff on here, and then you have a little computer desk or desk right here with a mirror. You have a thermostat that's in here as well. And now this room has the 2 twin beds. You can have this where it's just 1 king bed, but I did want to show you all that on the right hand side, you do have the USB port and where you can control your lighting. And then it's not a door, it's just a window that looks out to the balcony area. And then you have your television right here. All right, so as we go into the living room area, we have another desk area. You have an area where you can have them put ice. Your room steward can put ice in there. You have US ports right here, and then your European ports over to the right. You have your phone where you can let me show you. So you can call down the reception, room service, your restaurant, medical center, spa, specialty dining, wake up alarm, emergency. So you can utilize that if you want to. And then also here, you do have your fridge, which they did lock it. They lock it, I think, the night before. But inside the fridge, there are drinks and drinks inside of there where even if you have the drink package, you will have to pay for them if you take anything out of it. And then as we continue, this is another sofa bed. This sleeps 2. It actually converts to a bunk bed. I actually will have photos up displaying how it will look. It's a really neat thing as far as this. Then you have a ceiling to floor mirror. And this, come in here. It's a walkway out to go out to the balcony area. Open up the sliding door, and you have your extended balcony with 2 chairs, and I call this my footrest. But this to show you the views, we're in the very, very front of the ship. So this is the Grand Suite 13001 Oreo Experience. this is the sofa. I'm gonna call it a sofa bunk bed because it converts into a bunk bed.
No, have other people buy stuff and bring it over.